Hello everyone, this is Ankush Rekha Sharma and today's date is 15 April 2024 and today's my topic is based on the core Java and my subtopic is data types in Java. So first of all, let's discuss what is data type. Let's dive into it. So data type is a classification of data. Like if we are programming, then we first declare the variables. Then it is very important to understand the Java or the machine that what variable is for what operation we are using. Like there are two types of data types. We'll discuss after these words. So the data types are the classifications of data where we can store the proper address, the proper operations, the proper its value. So these are the data types, and it is very important thing if we are doing any program. So it is very important to declare a proper variable. Like in Java, there is a code the proper right variable into the right data type. So this is the word. So there are two types of data types: primitive data types and non-primitive data types. So let's discuss what is the primitive data types. So the primitive data types is predefined data types. It means it has already assigned their values, their sizes by the Java. It means the primitive data types are the predefined. On the other hand, we have another type of data type which is non-primitive data type. So it is non-primitive. It means also it is called a reference of data types. It means it is defined by user. Like we say the user defined data. So it does not contain any kind of value. It does not contain any kind of sizes. It is like user defined data type. So these are the non-primitive. So there are some data types in this both types. So first we'll discuss the primitive data types. So there are 8 kind of data types, which is integer types of data. In integer types of data, there are 4 types like int, byte, short, and long. And after that, more types of primitive data types, which is boolean, char, float, double. These 8 data types are the primitive data types. So these 8 primitive data types contains their own sizes, their own values. So let's discuss the sizes and the values. So first we will talk about the boolean. So boolean data types default value is false. Okay. So and it contains only 1 byte. So first of all, 1 byte means 8 bits. So after that we dive into the integer types of data. So first of all, there comes a byte data type which contains 1 byte means 8 bits. 1 byte, 8 bits. After that, it comes to the int data type. Int data type contains 2 bytes means 16 bits. Sorry, I think it contains 4 byte means 32 bits. After that there is a int, short, byte, and long. In long, it contains 64 bits means 8 bytes, 64 bits. So these are the integer types of data. And after that there is a char. Char contains 4 bytes means 16 bits. So sorry, in char it contains 2 bytes means 16 bits. In char, after char, it comes to the float. and double. Float and double. Float contains 4 bytes and double contains 8 bytes. So these are the primitive data types. So there is a question why char contains only 2 bytes. So in C++ and C, these programming languages these programming languages follows the ASCII values. So that's why they contains the other values. But in Java, we follow the Unicode systems. So that's why char contains 2 bytes. After this, there are non-primitive data types. Non-primitive data types is also known as the reference data types. It is like array, it is like string, class, interface. These are the non-primitive, which is user defined. Like if I am programming, I am doing some program, I am typing some code. So if I am putting there these keywords, then I will give them size by my according to my like this is the non-primitive data types which contains user defined values. So these are the data types in Java, which is primitive, non-primitive, and yes, thank you.